Hey guys, so Vevor's done it again. They've come out with the new MIG200 welding machine. It's a 4-in-1, so it'll do gas MIG, Flux-Core, stick, and lift TIG, all in one super small, convenient, lightweight box. So I've had a week to play with this. Stick around, I want to tell you all about it. So one of the things that impressed me straight out of the box is the way the side door drops down from the top. That is super convenient when you're trying to load in a new spool or you're trying to adjust your tension and you're not having to fight a door wanting to drop down on you. It's also a dual voltage machine, so it comes with this adapter that'll run off of 240 or 120 volts. And closing the door is a snap. Okay, so if we open up the side door, immediately you're going to see the all-metal construction drive roller system. Flip this down and you can undo this black knob and you can pull off your drive roller, put on your new one, and screw that back down. Flip that down on top of the wire, flip this up, and then you turn this knob right here to adjust your tension. Inside here also is the wire spool holder, and you notice that it has a raised indentation on the back plate and on the front plate. It will hold the 10-pound spool, and it'll also hold the 1 and 2 pound spools without having to pull off an adapter or anything like that. I really like the way they do that. And in case you've forgotten your polarities on whichever process you're going to do, whether it's MIG, Flux-Core MIG, stick, or lift TIG, they have a chart right here that'll tell you what all your polarities are so you don't forget. And also right here is a cheat sheet for the front controls, which we're going to show in just a minute. Also included in the box is you get your ground cable, you get your electrode holder for your stick welding, you get a really nice MIG gun with the Euro style connector. You also get a rubber hose for connecting your gas bottle. The regulator is not included. And you also get an assortment of MIG tips in various sizes. And you also get your drive rollers and the clamps for your hose, for your gas hose. Okay, so on the front we have a pigtail, and you would put the pigtail on whatever polarity you want your gun to be. So if you want your gun to be electrode positive, you would put the pigtail into the positive port and you put your ground in the negative. And you know, if you want your gun to be negative for like Flux-Core, you would put that in there and you put your ground in the positive. This is your Euro style connector for your gun. Up here, we've got the weld mode. We've got MIG manual, MIG synergic, stick, and lift TIG. And we can also go right here and choose if we're doing ferrous metal, if we're doing stainless steel, if we're doing Flux-Core. Make sure that you have this on MIG manual, and aluminum. Now you can MIG aluminum with this, but you have to change out the liner in your gun to a graphene liner and use 035 size wire in the 4043. I haven't done it on this machine, but I've done it on the Yes Welder, and I find that a lot easier than using the spool gun. With this button, you would select your 2T or 4T triggering. With this one, you would choose your wire size that you want to use. And that is dependent on, like, if we're doing ferrous, it'll go down to 0.8 or 1. If we're doing stainless steel, or if we're doing Flux-Core, or if we're doing aluminum, it's 1 or 1.2. You can also with this button and this button, you can save jobs. You can save up to 18 different settings in here for a quick recall when you need it. And you adjust your voltage with this knob, go up to 28 volts. With this knob, it can go up to 156 amps. If we're in stick mode, it'll go up to 140, and that's plugged into 220, of course. And lift TIG will go up to 140. So it's a very nice, very easy to see screen. I'm really super impressed with this machine. So I'd really say that Vevor really knocked it out of the park with this machine. It's super lightweight. You can put it on your backseat of your car, go over to your friend's house and fix his lawnmower. You can carry it in your work vehicle as a little backup unit, or use it as a Flux-Core machine for doing some handrails and stuff like that. On the next issue of Flux-Core Friday, we're going to load up some Flux-Core wire in here, and I'm going to show you all the capabilities that this thing will do with Flux-Core. Again, this is the MIG200 4-in-1 process welding machine from Vevor. If you go to the description of this video, follow that link in there. They'll take you straight to it, and then make sure that you use my discount code for special pricing on this machine, because Vevor will have this at your door in just a couple of days, and you'll be welding by this weekend. But thanks for watching. Go check this beauty out. You're really going to like it. Have a good week.